going thrifting, you guys.
Calling in all divas. It's time to glitter up your day with Simona.
I wrote a little list of what I'm looking for. I'm looking for some Christmas presents. Because yes, I give people secondhand stuff. And do you have a problem with it? The stuff at the thrift store is better. What do you mean? They don't make anything well anymore. So thank you. Moving on. For myself, I'm not really looking for that much. Like, you know, I got a lot of shit. And we know this. Mainly, I'm always on the lookout for certain DVDs that I don't have. Oh, and here we go again. I'll see you guys at the thrift store. Guys, look at this. I can't tell if you can actually use it as like a landline or if it's for music or something, like a prop, but it's so cute. Here's the cart. I think we're kind of done with like looking through the store. I'm tired. I'm hungry. This is the last thing I picked up. I feel like it might be too big, but we're gonna try that. Oh guys, look what I found. This is such a throwback. Are you joking, man? I already feel like this is gonna like swallow me. It's too big. Yeah. Is it too big? Is it too big?
It's nice.
Cause like, what if? Oh, now I'm thinking like if I leave it behind and I regret it. I don't have a long jacket like this. Look, I don't have anything of this length. It's kind of fun that it's a long jacket. What do you think I should do? Is it cute? Does it look good on me? Does it look like it's swallowing me?
Oh.
You just saw me. Like, does this look normal or does it look off?
That's a little bit off.
Okay, we're leaving it behind. So we're leaving it behind?
Yep.
It's too bad. Now we got this jacket on. I'm not vibing with it. I don't think I'm gonna get it. This is a no. I'm not a fan of the shoulder pads. I feel like it especially doesn't suit me because I'm like a short girl. Like, what am I doing with shoulders that wide? I found these two. One's a small, one's like an extra large. The small looks like really tiny. So if I got one, it would probably be the extra large. I just don't know if I should get it. Something about it is like... Something about it I like don't work, but I feel like I should still get it because it's called, right? I don't know. This is just to upcycle. You guys, I finally got the mic to work. Now we're finally gonna do this damn haul. Oh my god. I got my boyfriend in the other room. He's like the tech expert. I don't think you guys understand how bad I am with modern tech. And he tried helping me figure out how to fix this mic. Nothing was working. It just started working out of nowhere. We tried everything. Oh my god, we tried his AirPods. We tried, like, nothing was working. Anyways, let's get into the haul. This is the first sweater. I don't know how flattering it is. I actually didn't try it on in the thrift store. I like little knit sweaters for winter. I gravitate towards them, but I kind of don't really have that many, actually. This is kind of a little baggy. I don't know if this really looks good on me, so it's fine because whatever I don't like, I'll just put it on Depop or try selling it at a market, or I'll see if my sister wants it. I don't know. I'll try styling it actually someday, and we'll see, but from this try-on alone, I'm not like impressed. I feel like it's a little bit baggy. This is cute. I like this. I also don't... I can't tell how this really fits me because the mirror I'm looking at is not great. It's very like cut off. But okay, from what I can tell, I like this. And I'm excited to style it. It's very much the type of sweater I like. I really love long sleeve sweaters. And I like that this one cinches. And it's got rhinestones. It checks off a lot of boxes, to be honest. So, this is a good find. I'm happy about this. For the clothing items, this is probably my favorite piece. I won't try this one on just because she's a little transparent. So, I'd have to, you know, style it with like a tank top underneath. But it's this top from the brand Candy Couture, and it's a little like see-through, and it's got this rose design, which is kind of fun. It's like that in the front too, but you can't really tell. And I like how the sleeves, they kind of like slouch. You see the vibe? So I think the silhouette of this would look pretty nice. We'll see when I try styling it how it looks. This next top is so plain, and that's why I'm not trying it on. I sometimes get basics like this to upcycle. I like put designs on it to make it look more interesting. So we'll see how this is going to turn out. Hopefully, it'll look fun. Now, for the pants, I'm debating trying these on. My plan is to turn it into a pleated skirt because I feel like if you look at these as pants, in my opinion, they're not that cool, fun, and I just love skirts. So if I turn this into a skirt, I feel like it's going to be an 11 out of 10. But they're these Guess pants. And that's the back. I like how on the tag there's like a pretty woman. Good on my boyfriend for finding these. The jeans were terrible. I just have to say, the thrift store I went to today was not good. But I feel like I still found like some good stuff, so I can't complain. But yeah, he found these diesel jeans. And this is how they look in the back. And this is the jeans, how they look at the bottom. They're kind of like a straight leg. Ooh, okay, then this is towards the end of the thrift haul. I was ready to leave. I was tired, I was hungry. I spotted these. Also, guys, I ran into Mediha at the thrift store today. Like, oh my god, that made my day. I love running into Mediha. Like, that girl always has the best stories for me. It was such a fun time. But yeah, I got these little bloquette type shoes. They might be slightly big on me. I tried them in the thrift store and they felt comfortable, but I tried like one shoe on because they had the zip tie thing going on, so you can't actually walk and see if the shoes fit you properly. So I will test them out. Probably now, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the haul, and then I might try these on and show you guys. It just depends, because I'm worried about the mic dying. I just don't want the mic to die. But the next part of this haul, we might come back to the shoes, but the next part is physical media. Okay, now we're cozy sitting on the floor, and this is probably my favorite part of this video, because I love when I get to show you guys, like, physical media. I don't know, it's just so fun to me. Right here, you can see that CD player. I bought it for my boyfriend because we got him one, and it's very finicky. Like, it needs to be positioned in a specific way for it to even turn on. And I made him a CD for our anniversary, and I want him to like actually use the CD player and listen to the CD I made him. So I got him that. So I think I'll take his and put it somewhere in my dining room or something, because I already have 2 CD players in my room, but I really like this one. So we'll see what I'm going to do. Anyways, so I got that today. I also got this really stunning picture, which I'm planning on putting in my living room. It's just so fun. It's so, like, I have no words. Like, this is just, this vibe, it's just, like, yes. And in the future, when I have my own place, I'd want it to be in my future living room. Now, for DVDs. So, we got Kick-Ass, which I think my boyfriend found this. This movie's phenomenal. It's such a good movie. Then, this was a throwback, you guys. Okay, let me know if this was also part of your guys' childhood. Little Einsteins. I forgot about the existence of this show. Completely forgot about it. No one has mentioned it. I haven't heard of it in, how many years? In like maybe almost 15 years, I have not heard about this show. I could be wrong with the timeline. I'm not great with timelines, but it's been so long since I heard of the show. And then I was like, oh, I kind of remember the end of the theme song. And I came home from the thrift trip, showed my sister what I got, and I was like, you remember this? And then she was like, oh my god, yeah. And then I sang like the last part of the theme song. She was like, wait, I remembered a different part. And then I came to me, I was like, oh. And then we were like singing, and then we were matching, and it was such a great moment because we hadn't seen this cartoon in like almost 15 damn years. So you know, we're like remembering it, and we're like singing. It felt so like, I'm just like you, you're just like me, like the I'm just like you, whatever Barbie song, like they're like, but like a bit different, but you get what I mean. It was just like, and then we were like we were like singing and remembering, we were like at the same time, like little lines. Anyway, I remember rocket ship zooming through the sky, little lights. You know what I mean? When you're like, and you're remembering. Great. Okay, moving on. What a girl wants, what a girl needs. Make me happy and set you free. Yeah. I didn't have this in my collection yet because the thing is, I've seen this a lot at the thrift stores, but you guys already know. I go in there. If I'm feeling a little broke, I'll just be like, I'll get this another time when I feel a little less broke. And the thing is, I'm trying to use up my coupons. The year's almost up. I'm not really finding the cutest clothes lately, I can't lie. Like, good clothes are vanishing from thrift stores, let me tell ya. And they're getting filled with Shein. Oh my god. At least, like, the ones I've been to, it's rough. Now, I guess the last thing I'm showing in the haul is Guitar Hero for the Wii. I have a Wii U, as you guys may know if you've seen my other videos. But there's so many Wii games compared to Wii U games. So, if anything, I thrift a lot of the Wii games, and you can play them on your Wii U. So, Guitar Hero. Nice. And that was everything I got. That was the haul. Let me just, like, put these shoes on, and let's try them on together. Dude, imagine the mic is not working right now, and I'm, like, talking into it. Because I've had that happen to me before, where I thought my mic was working, and I guess it, like, stopped working during the video. And I was so pissed, because then I had to, like, re-record it. I don't remember what I ended up doing, but it was annoying as hell, let me tell you. Mwah! Look how cute. Look at how darn cute these are. Oh my god. What the hell? I just, like, broke my spine on this knob. But, like, oh my god. Oh my god. You can't be serious right now. Okay. Let me get back here, close to you guys. So that was the haul. Now, if you guys don't let me know what your favorite part of the haul is, yeah, if I had to say my favorite part of the haul, girl, I don't know. I feel like this haul was not that interesting. And now that I think about it, what was so damn exciting about this haul? Nothing. The shoes are real cute. Like, don't get me wrong. There's nothing that, like, created an emotional attachment for me. And I think I kind of need that when I thrift. Like, I like having an emotional attachment piece. But I don't. What a girl wants, what a girl needs. So, that's everything. That's the haul. Thank you for watching. Bye. I love you guys. Bye.